Welcome back, loyalties. Miss Monificent here. Thank you all so much for joining me. Happy Sunday. Today I'm bringing you all another Dollar Tree DIY. This is my Dollar Tree DIY wood stem tray. To see how I put this together, just keep watching. I'm going to be using 4 bags of these wood stems, some nautical rope from the Dollar Tree. This is just some piece I had left over from a bundle, some good scissors, some hot glue sticks, and my handy dandy hot glue gun. You can check the description box down below for all of the materials that I used for this DIY. So I start with opening my bag of my wood stems, and I'm going to be trying to lay them how I want my tray to lay. And you have to wean out the ones that aren't even in size, because you have some of them that may be a little shorter, some of them that may be a little taller. So before I start gluing, I want to kind of just like lay them together to wean out the ones that are a little shorter and a little taller, and try to find all of the ones that are pretty much even. But although I do find a few that are like uneven, what I end up doing is gluing them up against them, so all of them don't really lay flat on the table. I mainly make sure that they're leveled at the top. So now that I pretty much have them like all sorted out, weaned out the bad ones basically, I'm going to just slide those over, and then I'm going to begin gluing down. This is a really simple project. It's no tools required other than your hot glue gun, and you're probably going to need to just hold the two together. I am using my hot glue only for the purposes of this video, but I would suggest that you use a stronger hold along with the hot glue, just so that you can have a permanent hold. Now, I was able to transport this with just the hot glue without any of them falling apart, but like I said, if this is something that you want to keep permanent around your home, then I would suggest using a stronger glue. So there's really pretty much no other explanation that I need to make from here on out, so I'm going to kind of speed up this video with a little bit of music, and yeah. And this is what it looks like. This is pretty much it. This is all 4 bags of the wood stems with the exception of maybe like 3. So now I'm going to be using my nautical rope. Now I'm going to take that nautical rope and I'm going to hot glue the nautical rope. And at first I was going to see if I wanted to squeeze it in between a couple of stems. What I thought I could have done was glue the nautical rope down the side of a stem before I finished all of the stems, and then layered a stem, like a stem, nautical rope, and then another stem. But since it's too late for that, I'm taking my hot glue and I'm going to try to tuck it like in between the stems right there. I'm going to use my scissors to like try to pinch it in as close as I can to the wood stem, and then I am going to cut the other end. Once I cut that other end, I'm going to use that to measure out another cutting to make another handle on the other end. And this is it for my DIY. I really like the come out on this. I think it's pretty rustic and something different that you can do, and really simple. It doesn't take any time at all. I really hope you all enjoyed today's video. If you did, then please give me a big thumbs up. I always appreciate it. If you're visiting, I ask that you stay a while by hitting that loyal button down below. Also, don't forget to turn on your notifications so you don't miss out on the fun. Stay tuned. I have my spring refresh home tour coming up. Really excited about that video. I will see you all in my next video. I hope you have a great week. Until then, God bless.